Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to transpose data in Excel. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. Transposing just means making a row a column or a column a row. So for example, I have this data here in this column. I would like it to instead be in a row. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to come over here to a new cell. I'm going to come up here to this little button under paste. I'm going to select paste special. And when my paste special box comes up, I'm just going to select transpose and tell it OK. There we go. The same thing works if I want to take it back to a column. The other way to do it is with a formula. So down here with this data, instead of pasting it, I'm just going to come over here and say equals transpose. That's the formula I want to use, is the transpose formula. Select these cells. There we go. There it is. Hopefully that was helpful.